I couldn't make him, and then my foot blog.
They're still releasing the dam.
So, what's that guy couldn't make him back when did my foot blog and then back in the video. Did my foot blog. So, what? I'm talking to the video.
Mason, you don't realize next week when you're
Yeah,
gonna want to
yeah.
know. You're gonna want to know what I said while you're swimming in fucking 8 feet of water over your head. He's stupid, man. He's sitting there mimicking me. He doesn't realize that the hurricane kills everybody, Mason.
So yeah, guys.
There'll be no.
Take it to the back.
You know what, Mason?
Take it outside or take it to the back. I'm black. Dad, I'm a black voice, a black guy voice. Take to the black. Cause I'm black. So come down there like that. Take to the bed. Take outside. What? Take it to the bed. Take it to the bed. Take it to the bed, yo. We got 4 lots. Keep my city safe. Lock both. Or locked. Yeah, and keep my city safe. Hey, Mom? Should I take a baseball bat? I have one. No, I'm good. Unlocked. Unlocked. Ready? What the hell? Okay. Got it. So yeah, guys, I'm outside. Whew. 8 days today. So yeah, guys, sunny out. Come on, let it. Go kitchen. Huh? What? What, Ma? Ooh, penny. Hey, Ma, I found a penny. Look. Penny on the ground. Keep it. Ding. So yeah, guys, I'm walking. No, we're going to 7-Eleven. So we're going to go to 7-Eleven right down the street. No, what the name of this hotel? Sunshine Inn? Huh? What is it? Oh, you didn't open the windows? Yo, guys, you didn't open the windows at, no, what the name of it? Sunshine? Sunshine. Oh, they got a couch in that one. Oh, I want a couch in mine. Hey, Mom, look at these. That one is nice. Yo, they have 2 beds in that one. So nice. We have 2 beds. Huh? Yeah, that one came with a kitchen. Damn it. And then that one has a kitchen. Yup, it does. So yeah, guys, there's a hotel. So pits over there, fucking kitchen. Fuck. Did I even have an upstairs here? Oh yeah, I do. Palm trees, birds, bushes, Florida. Florida sucks.
You should have brought an umbrella too.
Huh?
You should have brought an umbrella too.
Right there.
Yeah, you should have brought another one.
No, I'm good. Hold on, guys. So, Yeah, so peace. I'll see you at the net log. Bye.